But we're bound to, though. We're so different. I was just some punk rock kid from Bakerline, and you're Superman.
I'm punk rock.
You are not punk rock.
I like the Stranglefellows and the PODs and the Mighty Crabjoys.
Those are pop radio bands. They're not punk rock. The Mighty Crabjoys suck.
Okay, well, a lot of people love them.
My point is, I question everything and everyone. You trust everyone and think everyone you've ever met is like... beautiful.
Maybe that's the real punk rock.